spend about a third of our life sleeping. 4 out of 10 of us have a real struggle having a decent night's sleep. Some of us might have a problem getting off to sleep. This is due to a lack of melatonin. This is a hormone made by the pineal gland, and it's derived from serotonin. So if you're lacking serotonin because you're depressed, you're likely to have a problem with sleep. Some of us might have a problem maintaining sleep. In other words, you can't remain asleep. These are people that tend to have a low GABA level. GABA is a very important relaxing neurotransmitter. It gets us to be less anxious and calm. Some women might have a problem, particularly women who are going through perimenopause or going through PMS. They have lots of issues in relation to sleep. And that's because a dip in progesterone will dip GABA levels. And that then leads to a whole host of vasomotor symptoms like hot flushes and irritability, etc. Some might have a genetic mutation expressed for a particular gene, like COMT, for example. Now, an expression of COMT actually has a direct impact on the way your adrenaline and noradrenaline, what we call the catecholamines, how they interact with stress. Coming up is a webinar on a healthy night's sleep. We will discuss how green space affects sleep and how pharmaceuticals, which are the right pharmaceuticals to use for sleep, and also finding out the drivers behind sleep disturbances. We'll also discuss the evidence base behind the use of various herbs, amino acids, and minerals to assist in a good night's sleep. So do click the link below and register for a healthy night's sleep.